Imagine waking up to money rolling into your account every single minute without lifting a finger. In this video, I will walk you through a brilliant system that can earn you $7 per minute on Autopilot. It is completely free to set up, works anywhere in the world, and pays directly to your PayPal, Payoneer, or even your local bank account. Stay tuned to discover how to turn simple designs into a passive income machine starting today. Number 1, head over to Canva.com. Canva is a free online design tool that allows you to create various types of designs effortlessly. Sign up using your email and password. Once logged in, click on custom size, choose inches, and enter 12x16 in the boxes. Then click on create new design. This will open a blank canvas where you will design motivational or inspirational quote images for entrepreneurs and business owners. It is important to ensure your designs are original and not copyrighted. You can use ChatGPT to generate unique quotes. Simply ask it for short, inspiring quotes for entrepreneurs and business owners, ensuring originality, and copy them into Canva. For instance, if you use the quote, "Success is rented and the rent is due every day," you can style it on Canva. Click on the text option, add a heading, and paste the quote. Adjust the font to Montserrat, ensure each word is capitalized, and align the text neatly within Canva's frame. Continue adding more quotes in a similar fashion to create multiple inspirational quote images. Once done, download them by clicking on the share button, selecting download, and saving the files to your device. Step 2. Use Gelato for print on demand. Next, visit Gelato.com, a print-on-demand platform that lets you sell custom products like t-shirts, mugs, posters, and more. Gelato handles printing and shipping when someone orders, so all you need to do is create designs and collect profits. Gelato is free to use, beginner-friendly, and available worldwide. Sign up using the link provided in the description or pinned comment. Once logged in, connect your e-commerce store like Etsy, Shopify, eBay with Gelato. For this system, focus on wall art with motivational quotes. Gelato allows you to upload your Canva designs onto products like posters. Choose options like 12x16-inch premium matte paper and customize your design to fit the frame. Use Gelato's tools to enhance your artwork if needed. After saving your designs, list your products on platforms like Etsy or Shopify. If Etsy isn't available in your country, you can use other options like Wix, eBay, and more. You must be thinking, why inspirational wall art? Inspirational wall art sells exceptionally well because it appeals to entrepreneurs and business owners who enjoy motivational visuals in their spaces. It is inexpensive to produce, and since it is often an impulse purchase, you can price your products competitively for good profits. There are a lot of shops on Etsy and other e-commerces that have been selling thousands and thousands of wall arts and making hundreds and thousands of dollars. Lastly, all you have to do is set up your store and start earning. Once your products are ready, create your shop and connect it to Gelato. Any orders you receive will be fulfilled automatically by Gelato, leaving you to enjoy the profits. With this system in place, you can start earning $7 per minute in pure passive income. Remember to use the link in the description or pinned comment section to access Gelato for free and get 50% of your first purchase within 3 days of creating an account. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more ways to make money online.